In today's video, I'm going to teach you Manus AI versus ChatGPT. We'll walk through what each tool is built to do, how they approach productivity, what the user experience feels like, and how to decide which one fits your needs. Both tools use artificial intelligence to help you work faster and reduce manual effort, but they take different paths to get you there. First, purpose and core features. Manus AI focuses on autonomous task execution and workflow automation. Think of it as setting up a process once and letting the system carry it forward with minimal oversight. In contrast, ChatGPT specializes in conversational AI. It shines when you want interactive help for writing, research, and day-to-day productivity. While both aim to streamline work, Manus AI is about orchestrating tasks end-to-end, and ChatGPT is about collaborating with you in real time to generate ideas, refine content, or analyze information. Next, task automation and productivity. Manus AI emphasizes completing tasks with minimal user intervention. You define your workflow, and it pushes those tasks through, helping with consistency and speed. ChatGPT focuses more on guided assistance through conversation. It supports brainstorming new angles, coding and debugging, content creation across formats, and continuous learning. If you prefer to steer the work step by step, ChatGPT keeps you in the driver's seat. If your goal is to offload repeatable processes and keep interventions light, Manus AI is designed for that. Now, flexibility and user experience. ChatGPT offers highly customizable prompts and deep conversational control. You can set context, iterate on drafts, and adapt tone and complexity on the fly. Manus AI may prioritize autonomous execution over detailed back and forth, which can be ideal when you want outcomes without constant tuning. ChatGPT adapts well across business, education, and creative industries because the conversation can shift to match your role and goals. Both tools aim to increase productivity and save time, but they deliver that value through different interaction styles. So, which one is better? Choose ChatGPT if you value versatility, creativity, and broad AI support across many tasks. It's an excellent companion for exploring ideas, polishing work, and learning quickly. Choose Manus AI if your priority is automation-focused workflows and reliable task execution with less hands-on guidance. Both platforms can significantly improve efficiency. The better choice depends on whether you prioritize interactive collaboration or hands-off automation. Consider the nature of your workload, how often tasks repeat, and how much control you want during execution. Align that with each tool's strengths, and you'll land on the right fit.